Hi everyone, so in this lesson you'll be looking at bar graphs and comparing the categories within the bar graphs. So you're going to be learning this by watching videos as well as and looking at examples as well as participating in a splash math activity, which will be really fun. And then at the end you will do an activity where you take that bar graph that you have just made and you will screenshot it and look at that, and then you will compare the categories within your own bar graph using language such as more and less. So you may be wondering what I'm meaning by this. So I just went to Google and I typed in bar graphs and went to Google Images. If I click this graph here, I see it says nicest fruit. So this is just the number of people who thought each fruit was the nicest. I know it's kind of weird, but we'll just go with it. So I can see here that 35 people thought apples were the nicest fruit, and 30 people thought oranges were the nicest fruit. So I can compare these two categories and say 5 more people think apples are the nicest fruit than oranges. Or I could say 5 less people think oranges are the nicest fruit than apples or compared to apples. And I can do this with each different category, just comparing 2 of them or even more than 2. So that's what I mean by what you'll be doing is comparing the categories in a bar graph. If I go down here to birthday of students by month, I can see that 2 people's birthdays are in March and only 1 are in August. So I could say 1 less person's birthday is in August than in March, or students. So this is what I mean by comparing bar graphs. So for the assignment, the activity that you'll be doing that in a discussion board, but I just want you to remember that you can, if you don't feel like typing this all out, you can always use Google Docs and use the voice text feature. So that is an option that you have. Again, if you have any questions, just feel free to contact me. And thank you, and I'm looking forward to seeing the post on your discussion board.